चलो, बेस्ट ऑफ
Good
लक
evening.
मिश्का।
Thank you, sir. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Mishka Raut, and my topic is Black Money, Pandora Papers. So the Pandora Papers is the name given to a journalistic investigation based on a major leak of confidential documents from 14 offshore service providers. So next. What do we mean by offshore? The Pandora Papers reveal complex networks of companies that are set up across borders, often resulting in hidden ownership of money and estates. For example, someone may have a property in the UK, but own it via a chain of companies based in other countries or offshore. So next. These offshore countries or territories are where it's easy to set up companies. There are laws that make it difficult to identify owners of companies. There is low or no corporation tax. The destinations are often called tax havens or secrecy jurisdictions. There is no definitive list of tax havens, but the most well-known destinations include British overseas territories such as the Cayman Islands and the British Virgin Islands, as well as countries such as Switzerland and Singapore. So next. So what are these Pandora Papers? So what do you mean by Pandora Papers? Over the course of nearly 2 years, more than 11.9 million files have been analyzed, including text documents, spreadsheets, emails, and images. There are certificates of incorporation, lists of shareholders, invoices, passports, travel records. The leak points to more than 27,000 companies created between 1971 and 2018, and nearly 30,000 of their beneficiaries. Among them, there are 751 companies linked to Spain. So next. Now, anatomy of black money. Will the Pandora Papers tackle it? Over the last decade, black money has dominated India's political discourse. From toppling the UPA government in 2014 to putting the current NDA government in the dock over its failure to act on its promise to bring back ill-gotten money. The latest explores under the Pandora list has names of prominent Indians like former cricketer Sachin Tendulkar, chairman and MD of Biocon, Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw, and the industrialist Vinod Adani, among hundreds of the others. So next. Is there any government in the world that has done a good job of controlling the generation of black money? In places like New Zealand and Scandinavian countries, the size of black economy is only 1% of GDP. Now you would ask that how have they achieved it? I would give the example of Sweden, which has a tax rate of 85%, and that's why the black money is just 1% of the GDP. So next. Now, what is black money? In India, black money is funds earned on the black market, on which income and other taxes have not been paid. Also, the uncounted money that is concealed from the tax administration is called black money. Black money is dangerous for every country. One may define black income as the income which is illegal or which evades taxes. So next. The illegal activities that can lead to black money generation are, firstly, the crime, corruption, non-compliance with tax requirements, complex prudential regulations, money laundering, smuggling. So next. How does tax evasion affect India? Tax evasion also leads to economic inequality. Tax records are often used to gauge the concentration of wealth and income in a society. Rich becomes richer and poor becomes poorer. However, if the rich dodge taxes more than the poor, tax record will underestimate inequality. The very rich are able to do this simply because they have access to consignment services. So next. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, sir. Hope you got all the points. Thank you, sir.